indicate! Stay. The rental in front, that's why. Because in St. Young, what are you doing? Yeah, that's blocked. There's no way for us to get through. Yeah, it's a big pipe. Who's with it? You know, walks on the road there. I mean, you know. Are you crossing? Are you crossing? No.